So now I want you to do 3 questions from this page in my Abacus so that I can see if you have done correctly and you have used the Abacus correctly. So the questions are, I'm writing the question first. Question number, I have given access to you. Now solve this question. First is 43 plus 6 minus 1
Wait.
then minus 5. Answer is
43.
43. I will write the answer. 40. Next, do the next one. 14 minus 1 minus 3. Oh no minus. Now minus 3
Mouse. Then
plus 2.
plus 2. Yes.
12. Yes. Now the last one. 29 1
29
1.
and 1.
Yes. Yes. Plus 4 minus 1. The answer is
33.